Everyone can't wait for the break between classes. Everyone goes in different directions. Well, except for Snow White and one other guy. The teacher is about to have a snack. What a gorgeous apple! It'll probably be juicy and sweet. Unfortunately, the snack is canceled. Snow White freaks out. No! No, no, no! Spit that apple out right now! She's ready to do anything to save her teacher from the dangerous fruit because Snow White knows from experience that the apple is poison. She has to give Miss Smith first aid. What should she do? CPR, of course. Wait, that's too much. And instead of gratitude, Snow White gets in trouble and even kicked out from the class. It's not a fun fairy tale. And she just wanted to help her teacher. Oh, look how cute these two are. It's obvious that they like each other very much. Oh, who's that? What an amazing braid! Oh, of course, it's Rapunzel, another popular girl at our college. Her gorgeous braid gets in the way of her life sometimes. Like now, for example. Oops, she can't go far until she gets her hair out. Phew! I did it! But she's about to run into trouble. Brandon, who Rapunzel has a big crush on, is flirting with another girl. How is she better than me? She doesn't even have a braid like this. I have to do something. Oh, the bell! Plans to win Brandon back will have to be postponed. Oops! Careful with your hair. She's a danger to others. Oh, no one likes her rope of hair. She should keep it to herself. Why won't that weird princess get a haircut?
No.
Okay, class is over. Bye, everybody. Looks like Rapunzel realized something and decided to use her hair in a different way. Here we go. Wow, great volume! Rapunzel, you look amazing! And she'll definitely get Brandon's attention now. That was easy. All she had to do was find the right use for her hair, and no more competition. This class is wild. There are two princesses at the front, Jasmine and Cinderella. They don't care about anything. Why would they? They are so pretty. Class is starting, but these girls are being so disruptive. We have to do something. Otherwise, we can't study. Okay, princesses, if that's the case, instead of a teacher, we'll have a powerful queen. Please welcome Her Royal Highness Smith. That's better. It's working. Of course. How can you disobey the queen? There's something princesses can't do. There's a royal hierarchy, you know? Finally, time for lunch. Princesses are people too. Hey. Oh, Cinderella. Hi. Enjoy your meal. Although, she has to clean up her plate a little bit first. Let's sort the vegetables by color. Broccoli goes here. Corn goes there. Carrots, bell peppers, peas. Everything has to be separate. Cinderella loves making sure everything is neat and tidy, but not everyone understands her methods. There, now I can eat. Time for PE class. That's fine, but Cinderella's clothes are a little weird. This doesn't really look like a sports uniform. How is she even going to exercise?
What?
Look at those glass shoes. Okay, okay. I'll change. Whoosh! Sneakers. That's better. Although, they are also made out of glass. Well, as long as she can still work out. Oh, there's Jasmine with her mat.
What?
It seems pretty normal. It's just a yoga mat. But everything is not what it seems. Whoa! She flew away on a magic carpet. It's all right. It's supposed to do that. But ordinary people don't see levitation every day. Miss Smith is shocked. So, Jasmine needs to come back down to earth. Phew! That was a tough lesson. It's over now. Another popular student at this college. Do you recognize her? It's the Little Mermaid, of course. And she's sitting in her private fish tank. Looks like you can't surprise anyone here with anything. Time to check the homework. Who am I going to call on today? Ariel, please. I can't come up to the board. I have a tail. Can you help me, Jack? Going to the blackboard just like this? That seems impossible. But if you are a mermaid, there's nothing else to do. You can see anything in this place. Sit down. You get an A. That was so nice. And who is this beautiful student? Well, of course, it's Belle. And she has friends of her own. A teapot and a cup. She can always talk to them. Although, to the people around her, it looks pretty weird. No, it's super weird. Talking to the dishes? What if it's contagious? We should stay away.
What? No.
You have to pay attention in chemistry class. Princess Elsa is sitting right in front of the teacher. No chemical reaction will escape her notice. So, let's start mixing the chemicals. Ah! Stop! Miss Smith made a mistake and took the wrong test tube. Oh no! There's going to be a big boom! So, Elsa freezes the teacher and switches the chemicals. Phew! Now it's fine. Looks like Elsa just saved everyone from a huge explosion. It's good to have a princess like this in class. Would you like to go to school with characters from fairy tales? Tell us in the comments. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss the most interesting videos on Troom Troom Wow!